Okay, so hello Google, welcome to this demonstration on the Legalprod app. The main purpose of this demonstration is to show you how the permission acts on the cloud project will be used into the app. When the user synchronizes his account, he will be on this page with this information. Actually, I have synchronized even at legalprod.com. That is my main mailbox. Between the among the permission that I asked, there is permission of email. Actually, the email version of Legalprod is it's full. It's very complete with the authorization of mark as read or unread, with the delete option like there. You have the delete option like there, with the fact that we can add labels to email according to the fact that labels are related to what we call in our application client folder, which permit to the lawyer to automatically uh, have has has this email on the right folder. So we can mark this email into the clear Jupon folder. We have this label display there, and we notice that the mail is available there, which can be also see there, where the mail on the exchange will appear on this way. Yes, so that is the main purpose of the automation that we trying to establish on Legalprod app. So the permission about the gmail.modify, it's the minimum, it's the minimal version of the permission asked to permit all this automation. I show you the order of an email into a folder client, but there is so many other stuff that Legalprod permit, mark as unread, mark as read, the management of the draft, the retrieval of all the unread folder, order by, I don't know, by the time, the name, or some stuff like that. The main idea is that the lawyer will be able to manage all his mailbox as if it was on the Gmail app. That's about the email. For the events, it's the same idea. The main idea is that on the dashboard of the lawyer, we we drive all the plane all the plane dates and permit to him. I don't know if you can tell that like that, but permit him to add some stuff, and the idea is that all the centralization will be done on his real mailbox using the Nila's webbook that help us to achieve this kind of stuff. So let me display that. Yes, so on the event, we are able to trade event, to modify, to add it at important, to link it to some folder, to share it with other person, to even generate meeting link and all that stuff. The main part that interesting there and that justify the acts of permission is that we are able to share calendar. So there we have my calendar even at legalpro.com. That is the list of all the calendar I have trade on my account. And furthermore, we have the share calendar. Means that if anybody trying to share with me the calendar, all this calendar will be appear there, and I will be able, according to the permission give during the share process, I will be able to manage this calendar or even just to read this calendar. About the management of my own calendar, I will be able to activate or deactivate some calendar to display on my Legalprod calendar, or only what I want according to the color. Okay, that is the stuff about the calendar. And the last stuff is the new one. It's about the contact. On Legalprod actually it's I don't know if I told you earlier, but Legalprod is a legal practice management application for law firm that permit to the lawyer to manage his CRM, is to manage all the contact. In Legalprod, we have a list of contact. We have a form that permit to the user to add contact. But for more reliability, we are we have imagined that it will be interesting for the user to import from his account, Google or Microsoft or whatever account he has, all the contacts he all the contact with who he talk on in general. So we have treat this option contacts that going to retrieve all the contact and permit to the user to select even only the contact that you want to to share with Legalprod. And then on the continue, we have these forms that permit to the user to ask what we will do if some email event already even exist on Legalprod. You can ignore that, and then we have a preview of what will happen next. We have 4 lines that has been analyzed. That is the 4 lines we selected on the list of our contacts, and we have no conflict. No conflict. So we can confirm and launch the import. Well, that is intent problem, but don't worry, it's nothing. But for the workflow, it's on this direction that we will go, and then the contact we will share to Legalprod and can be managed as any other contacts. That is the I think that we have done all this stuff. For the permission about the settings one, it's about the alias. The main idea there is someone can want to send mail or send I don't know anything using another account that he which whom is the owner of the account. So we permit to the user to mention the account, and at term we hope that we can uh, present to the user the list of the particular account, and he will just select which it may be used to set all this stuff. So thank you.